Thanks very much for staying with us. The live pictures as we are getting from the Sikh delegation that has arrived at the residence of MOS home G. Kishan Reddy's, and they are now raising the issue of the forced conversions that have recently taken place of two Sikh girls there in Kashmir. Already the protests that have been taking place are from Srinagar to even the national capital. Let me straight away go across to Shivani now, because this was the assurance, Shivani, that came in even from the Home Minister's side that there would be intervention into this matter, as even the protesters, especially from the SAD and other Sikh community protesters, have been conveying that there needs to be an anti-conversion law that needs to be implemented.
Definitely, Amita, what we are seeing right now, that this meeting with the Minister of State for Home, G. Kishan Reddy, is still going on with the Sikh delegation that has arrived at his residence. And this delegation comprises of the Jago Party chief, Manjeet Singh GK, and R.T. Singh, who is the spokesperson of BJP, has come here as a facilitator, and there's NS from Kashmir. All these leaders from different parties are together on the issue of the forced conversion that we've been witnessing. They have been protesting against the conversion that has took place in Kashmir, and they demand for a very strong law, quick action from the government in this regard. And they say if the law can take some time, then there can be an ordinance if the government intervenes, because they have said that they have a lot of hope from the government on the issue of Sikhs. And we've seen how the two girls from Sikh community have been allegedly forced to marry another religion's man. So this kind of forced conversion and love jihad is taking place, is happening in Jammu and Kashmir also. And the Sikhs are saying that they are denied of their rights in Jammu and Kashmir. And now when J&K is a union territory and militancy is also going low, peace is returning, things are normalizing. So the interests and the rights of minorities should be looked after by the government. So in that regard, they are meeting the Minister of State for Home, G. Kishan Reddy, in New Delhi. Prior to this, we saw yesterday at Jammu and Kashmir House, there were protests by the Sikh community people. And in Kashmir also, protests took place in the leadership of Manjinder Singh Sirsa. There also he briefed the media and demanded equal rights for minorities, especially Sikhs in Jammu and Kashmir. And Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, had also assured a meeting with these leaders very soon in the national capital in this regard. And after this meeting, they'll be handing over a draft of demands to the Minister of State for Home and at his residence. And they say that there are a number of issues with the Sikh community is facing in J&K, and the very important and the focus of Sikhs is on a law, anti-conversion law that similar to which is there in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also, so that this forced conversion of Sikh girls can be stopped as soon as possible.
All right, that is the Sikh delegation arriving at the residence of MOS home, G. Kishan Reddy, and they're raising the issue of the Kashmir forced conversions that have now taken place. Now it mainly depends to be seen there, Shivani, as to the assurance that will be given to them by the government side, because we are looking at the kind of support that they have been receiving as far as a well thought out plan to actually implement an anti-conversion law.
Have been interacting with these Sikh leaders who have been protesting and who have also come here at the residence of MOS home. They say that they see a lot of hope and they have a lot of expectations from the Prime Minister, because he is the one who has been working for normalization in J&K since the abrogation. There is a lot of change also, but still this problem persists, as we've seen that in last 1 month there have been incidences of forced conversion of these Sikh community girls. And they say that when the government is working on the delimitation process and the electoral process restoration, they also demand a law.
Right. Well, we've been hearing from their side as they are seeking support from the majority communities there too. And let's just quickly dip into the audio that we are getting of what's been happening there at G. Kishan Reddy's residence. Well, the memorandum or the support letter that is just being submitted to G. Kishan Reddy.